Hari Om, my dear children. Today we are going to see about the new chapter, functions. In this class, we will discuss about the what do you mean by functions, what are the advantages of functions, and what are the different types of function. First one is what do you mean by function? A large program can be split into smaller program is called as function. That smaller program is called as subprograms, which perform a different task. What is the main advantage of functions is divide and conquer and reusability. Divide and conquer means complicated programs can be subdivided into subprograms. So the functions reduces the size of the program and the complexity of a program. Function makes it easier to understand, test and check for errors. The classification of functions. Functions are classified into two types. One is predefined function, another one is user defined functions. Predefined functions is otherwise called as built-in function or library functions. User defined functions means functions created by user. C++ provides a number of predefined functions. Each function perform a different task. These kind of functions are already written, debugged and compiled. These predefined functions are stored in a particular files. That kind of file is called header files. The next concept is user defined functions. In this function, name of the function and data are decided by the user. So it is called user defined functions. The next concept is C++ header files and built-in functions. First, what do you mean by header file? Which provides the function prototype and definition for each predefined functions. In the predefined functions, data types constants are also defined in them. And then each header file contains number of built-in functions. For example, in studio.h header file contains getChar, putChar, getS, putS and etc. The extension of header file is .h. First one is standard input output header file, that is simply says that studio.h, which defines the standard input output predefined functions, that is getChar, putChar, getS and putS, etc. First we will discuss about the getChar and putChar. GetChar function is mainly used to get a single character from a user. PutChar is used to display the single character. For example, in this program, as usual, we declare the header file iostream. If you use the getChar and putChar in this program, we declare the header file hash include studio.h, that is standard input output header file. Okay, here we use the getChar function, which is used to get the character from the user, and then that character should be printed. We use putChar function, putChar of ch. So the output is type a character T and then that character is printed, that is T. The next concept is getS and putS. In the above program, we print the single character. If we print more than one character or if we get more than one character, we use getS and putS functions. This is also one of the predefined functions. For example, in this program, we use getS function and putS function, that is through the getS function we get the value computer science and then print the string using putS function. Okay. The next concept is character function. We use this character functions. We declare the header file ctype.h, which consists of number of predefined functions. For example, is ALNum, which is used to check whether the given character is alphanumeric or not. If the given character is alphanumeric, it returns the value 1, otherwise it returns the value 0. Alphanumeric means that values either alphabets or numbers. Next one is alpha. This function is used to check whether the given character is alphabet or not. If the given character is alphabet, it returns the value 1, otherwise it returns the value 0. The next predefined function is digit. which is check whether the given value is number or not. Okay, if the given character is number, it returns the value 1, otherwise it returns the value 0. The next predefined function is lower, which is used to check whether the character is lowercase letter or not, that is small letter or not. If the given character is small letter, it returns the value 1, otherwise it returns the value 0. Just same as is upper. If the given character is uppercase letter, it returns the value 1, otherwise it returns the value 0. The next concept is 2 upper and 2 lower, which is used to convert the given character into another case letter. 2 upper of function is used to convert the given character into uppercase letter. That is, if you give the small letter, that is converted into capital letter. Next function is 2 lower. 2 lower means which is convert the given character into lowercase letter. The general format of 2 lower is char 2 lower function name within parenthesis given the character, that is char c. This is the syntax of 2 lower function. Example is char variable c equal to 2 lower of within single quotes given character, that is capital K. Here we are using the function 2 lower. So this K is converted into small k, that is lowercase letter. So the output is K. Okay, thank you students.